Hello everyone, my name is Emil. Welcome to Emil's React. Now in this video I like to call your little cat too. So yeah, I did a reacting to the newest video from ForgaLorga. So yeah, and also I already been reacting to the your little cat one. Now this time it's your little cat too. So yeah, let's find out where it is. So like while scratch at Octavia, so just sit back and watch the glorious montage. We gonna start with this in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, here we go. There's Fluttershy and Pinky booping. Oh my gosh. Okay, and okay, there's Twilight without the cup. There's a box. There's Fluttershy and Rainbow Dash and yeah, and also without the massage. There's AJ without the garden glass. I mean grass. What the heck? Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, he's touching without the tail. Oh my gosh. And he's being sad or happy. There's Rarity. Okay. This is so much random. Yeah, without the okay, Rainbow Dash was looking without the mirror and he touched. Okay, AJ and Fluttershy without the water. He prays with it. Oh my gosh. Wow. And there's Celestia and Luna. Floating onto the marshmallow. AJ wearing a hat, a bigger size. Pinky was playing without the balls. Fluttershy and Rainbow Dash went into the box. And Celestia, there's Twilight was looking at fur. Okay. Wow. How touch. Okay, so yeah, that looks very random and also without the something like without the Fluttershy. Well, he's looking without the paper bag from Pinky. Well, Fluttershy was looking without the paper bag. There is a Pinky went into the paper bag and then he booping onto the nose. So yeah. Oh my gosh. So yeah, and also Twilight was just keep in looking at it, or he just ate without the cup, or stucking to his nose onto like a jam or something, like a cup. So yeah, and also without the box too, and also from Rainbow Dash and Fluttershy. Rainbow Dash was massaged from Fluttershy, and also without her box from Twilight Sparkle. He's been playing with it. That looks hilarious. And also from Applejack. Well, yeah, he's been looking without the garden, yeah, without the grass. So yeah, or just saying garden. So And also AJ was keeping looking at it and decided to drop it and that was too weird. And also from Rainbow, well, Rainbow Dash was sleeping and Pinkie Pie was touching to his tail on it, so yeah. And he decided to Rainbow Dash was fly away with it, so yeah. Oh my gosh. So yeah, and well, Pinkie was happy for him and touching it, and also without from Rarity was looking to his like something like a hoop, and also without her face, and also without the from Twilight he can able to see on it, so yeah, that was too weird. And also from Rainbow Dash, well yeah, like he's staring without from looking without the mirror, so yeah, that was too freaking weird. And also without from AJ and Fluttershy, he went to touch him from Applejack's from water without the thing, so yeah, that was too weird. And also Applejack was trying to push on it from Fluttershy and it was onto the water, so yeah. Oh my lord. And Celestia was trying to sleep on it, and Rarity came onto the went to the marshmallow, yeah. And also without Applejack, he's wearing this from a hat a bigger size, so yeah. Oh my lord. And also Pinkie Pie was playing without the balls for it to Fluttershy and Rainbow Dash was sleepy. Well, Rainbow Dash was sleepy and Fluttershy is being a little bit sleepy with a close open to his eyes for it. And he's being looking and he just saw without the balls. So yeah. Oh my gosh. And Rainbow Dash was too snoring, so yeah. Also without Twilight was very cute without her face and her wings too. Oh my lord. He trying to keep on together with it, and now Luna and Celestia, well yeah. And he totally shocked with it, so yeah. And trying to sleep on it, so yeah. Well, that looks amazing and it's so very good and I love it. Thanks to you, ForgaLorga. I really like your from your newest video of the day, so I'll approve to your from your newest video of the day. So please subscribe to my YouTube and follow us on Twitter and Dailymotion. Also, you can share to my videos from 2018. So this is Emil's React. My name is Emil. Will be signing out. Also, click without the icon for his channel and then subscribe to him as well. So that was it. So we'll see you guys later. Bye bye.